Ogai mado Martha Koome okwedo timbe njore mane oneno e kinde ng'anyo ma sabasaba mane obagi odiochieng' manyoro. Koome ojiwo jopiny mondo onyis kwe kinde ma gibago ng'anyo. Koome onyiso jopiny mondo kik donjre e kuo kata keth mag mwandu e kinde ng'anyo ma kamago.
On one hand, members of the public must exercise their right to protest peacefully without carrying arms and without engaging in acts of destruction, looting, or vandalism of public infrastructure, such as government buildings, court infrastructure, and even private businesses. It's very painful for even a citizen to lose their property, which they have worked hard to put together. On the other hand, the police must respond with restraint, proportionality, and strict adherence to human rights standards, avoiding actions that could cause unnecessary harm or loss of life. It is also incumbent upon the police to distinguish between peaceful demonstrators and criminal elements, those who infiltrate protests to incite violence, and root and to apprehend and process such individuals through our justice system.